whether you are sold from the slave markets of Africa or you are paid day to day, still the same, you are a property. You are not looked upon as a slavery talaga. So that's the culture. Wala tayong magawa. And that was what I was told when I was there. I went there to save two Filipina girls from Turil who were caught by the religious police for bibigay ng sariwan. I had to go to Riyadh, but I invited along with me si Salupudin, itong si Dilanggaling, and another one. Tatlo sila. Nakiusap ako. But then after that, I was lectured upon by a member of the parliament about the Arab culture. So dapat malaman talaga ito na kaya someday sana, sabi nga nila nakakaawa na it breaks my heart to read na sana magbago na ang bayan natin, Mayor, para makauwi naman. It hurts a lot. It hurts a lot.
Last na lang po, you're inheriting peace processes that are both on their implementation phases. The peace agreement with the MNLF and the peace agreement with the MILF.
It will proceed.
Yeah. A clarification lang because there have been confusing messages from Speaker Presumptive Speaker Alvarez that Congress will do away with the BBL in favor of federalism. But in your campaign speeches and in your visit to Darapanan, you said, let's push for BBL first and make it as a template for federalism.
Ganito yan eh. Federalism would recognize the territory you are in now. Ang sabi lang, what Alvarez meant was that we will not adapt the BBL to the exclusion of others. Meaning to say that I'm willing to let go of the configuration. Now, yung boundaries nila, okay na. But we have to reconfigure the others also. What's sauce for the gun, there is sauce for the gun. Yan ibig liberally construed, it means kasali ka in a bigger network, yung federalism. So it will stand out as a BBL law. It will stand out as a part of a federal setup. Yun ang ibig sabihin na. I'm sorry, he could not have misconstrued that thing.
So you will be pursuing federalism and shelf BBL because there is an agreement, comprehensive agreement.
Yeah, hindi na gagalawin eh. But it would not be, I said, a BBL law agreement, a sort of a BBL law. It would be a result of the adoption of a federal setup. Ako, I am willing to stand by yung anong pinirmahan ng ating Congress, or at least what they're trying to push. And if you push further, we will all go hungry and maybe I will suffer a stroke and cannot arrive at the day of denegation kasi gutom na, wala ng pagkain.
Is considered a fugitive as of now. Is your government going to have the cases against Ms. Wari reinvestigated?
Walang peace agreement na would result in that. It's always amnesty. Pero itong mga Abu Sayyaf, they have to surrender and release all hostages. Now, depende na lang kila Doresa yan, pati kay Bebot, kung paano nila, how they would treat this, whether as a separate matter in the entire context of the agreement. Because itong mga to na radicalized also because of the repeated failure of sila pati both na to come up with a system that would work. That's why they are there fighting. Yes, okay lang, nag-order na ako ng breakfast. Siguro mga 6 o'clock.
Meron po kayong guidelines o marching orders kay Secretary Rebortello tungkol dun sa campaign promise nyo na yung ENDO or as Sunny Dominguez says, decontractualization?
Tapos na pinag-usapan. Sinabi ko, it must end by legislation.
So ano po ang order nyo kay Bello ngayon? Gawin na? Paano po natagalan?
We should go to Congress. Anti-people yung, I would never have allowed that. You know, you're putting to waste our expenses for TESDA. I'm trying to train these guys to be experts in their fields of endeavor. Carpentry. He gets a lot of advice that, tapos ilagyan mo na ng 6 months. Tapos he transferred to another job and it's driving a truck. So, paano yung TESDA? And how would they learn the expertise of being an electrician, a driver? Wala. So he's at the mercy of iba kasi wala siyang, even if he goes abroad. And you would read it there in the newspapers that experienced 3 years. Eh, paano yung Pilipino pag gano'n mo? Kaya ako yan, hindi ko napantayan yan. Pero I will never allow anti-people.
Mayor, good evening. Meron na po kayong Defense Secretary po ngayon. Ano po ang magiging polisiya na pagdating sa K-12?
I have to talk. We have to talk. Wala pa. There's a prospect, but we have to talk.
Sa Defense, sir, si Ma'am Briones po, ano po yung magiging usapan niyo pagdating na sa K-12 program?
Sus Maria Josep. Kaya ko kinuha siya. The problem seems to be insurmountable because that is the, you know, when you get to run something, yung repercussions, yung projection mo na ito yung mangyari. Kaya kung magtanong ko, anong mangyari dito? Magkatapos ano pa dito? Ay, paano to? Ganon eh. Yeah, there is now the aberration. There is a disruption sa system because mayroong mga teacher na hindi nakakaw. I will not allow them to go hungry. You'll have to sacrifice paying them. Kaya sabi ko, diretsoy na lang sa those who want to, we have to solve the, it has to be fixed. So the best solution there will be adopted. I want to defer to the Secretary of Education. Secretary of Health, wala pa ha. At kumpleto na tayo nga.
Sir, how about TESDA? Kung meron na kayong...
Oh, wala pa. Wala pa.
Sir, baka yung mga undocumented na OFW sa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, ano po ang magiging polisiya po?
You will help them get the proper status. I will ask the Arab countries to be more circumspect in arriving at, lalo na sa atin. Eh, mahirap lang tayo, but they must understand that there are things that they have to respect, and that is dignity of the Filipino. That they are not exporting their horse, but exporting decent people to earn.
On the airline industry, Mr. President, we would like to ask if you are willing to transfer the NAIA to Clark, considering that this is really a headache for Filipino travelers if they go to the airport. Heavy traffic, delayed flights.
I will go by the recommendation of the DOTC. He will solve that problem for us. That's why I got him.
Mayor, good evening. Mayor, you promised you'll find time to talk with Noor. How is it? And kasali po ba sa pag-uusapan nyo kung sino yung i-appoint from tomorrow?
Sa ano ma'am?
Noor Miswani po. You promised you'll find time to talk with him.
Yeah.
Last time, yung sa Samantaya po.
Ano?
Sabi mo po you'll find time to talk with Noor Miswani.
Miss Wally.
Yes po.
Noor, yeah. Kasi different that they were snap. Alam mo, the first day, I even stayed 21 hours. Kinapagabi, kinakumagahan pa. Just to accommodate everybody. But they felt that maybe they didn't have the time, or they were there, and they were not properly placed in hindi conveyor kung sinong mauna. That differs na. Sabi ko, well, I'm sorry, it was not intended. There's really, indeed, if there's one. But to make it happen, in the name of peace, I'll go there so I'll talk to him.
Kasali po ba sa pag-uusapan niyo po, sir, yung about sa cabinet secretaries po na Moros?
No, wala-walayo yan. Except masatuloy yung how to go about solving ito Abu Sayyaf and getting released all of the prisoners there.
When are you going to require your cabinet members to actually?
Yun lang sila, plates, wala na kami. I have,
Kasi naka-plate si ang PSD, baka yung plate na rin.
wala na. Itong the law number, and I said from here on, lahat ng taga-gobyerno, lahat, without exception, ayaw ko itong mga congressman, dito sa akin lang, executive department, lahat, must try the economy, even if they can afford it. Kasi ang tao, sabi nila, kakalahati, amin yan eh. At kami kasi doble. So kung ano ka, sabi mo, dagdag lang ako, it will not sit well with people. Ano lang kami, economy ngayon. Lahat ng travels namin, economy na. Board, whatever, cabinet members, board members.
May ano lang ako question on them wearing plain shirts last year.
No, I'd rather that they wear a insignia of the Philippine flag. Bakit ba lang yung tanong na security guard? Buo.
Excuse me, sir.
Mayor, ito na ba yung magiging Malacanang office?
No, just borrowed it for the moment.
Pero saan?
Ah?
Magiging Malacanang office?
No, pagka nandito ako, walang Malacanang. I can receive you in the house or wherever. Doon sa bahay ko. Ba't Malacanang, magkulo niya. Doon nakatira yung lahat ng ungo dito, yung multo sa Pilipinas, nandiyan lahat.
So yung money bounty for the capture and killing of drug lords, all those involved in drugs, kailan po yan mag-start? At ano po yung...
Now! Sige, sulatan mo dito na.
Sir, may responsible pa kayo sa letter ni Chinese President Xi Jinping.
Again?
He sent you a message. Chinese President Xi Jinping congratulating you. May responsible pa kayo.
Hindi kita na po, puro wala.
Response to Xi Jinping.
Alam ako ha, the reason why nagkaganon ako is I'm pushing my thumb against me. Kasi yung pagka-disgrasya ko sa motor, but when I was 67 years old, created two issues dito sa spine ko. Kaya dinidiin ko to ganon ako kasi I'm pushing behind the ear. Kasi ito may balik na noon, simplang rin. Tapos na ulit, kaya hard ako sa hearing dito.
Sir, my question was kung may response po kayo dun sa message ni Chinese President Xi Jinping congratulating you.
I was honored receiving a congratulatory message from the great President, the Prime Minister. Believe ako sa kanya kasi naalaala niya ako.
Sir, will be pushed for bilateral talks with China.
Well, I said we are allied with the West. We have this pact with the West. But I want everybody to know that we will be chartering a course of our own. It will not be dependent sa America, and it will be a line that is not intended to please anybody, but the Filipino interest.
Sa China, sir, what will be the picture for in terms of relationship with China in terms of investments?
Look, I'm waiting for this arbitration solution. It will impact on us in so many fronts, business, whatever the relationship, bilateral. Hintayin ko muna ito, then with the advice of the cabinet, I might be able to proceed. But you know, I am not ready to go to war. It will just result in a massacre we are not prepared. We are prepared to die, but we are not prepared to win, definitely. And ang ano ko dyan is ang